So this reel is specially for all those people who have been sending me reels on Obsession, asking me about my reviews and asking me whether the movie is that amazing or not. So trust me, guys, the movie is absolutely amazing. And finally, here I am with my honest opinion on whether you should watch Obsession or skip it. So when I first saw Hokum, I thought nothing in 2026 could even come close to Hokum when it comes to horror genre. But then 2 weeks ago, I saw Obsession, and trust me, guys, I am seriously obsessed with that movie. That movie is not just mind blowing; it's freaky, it's eerie, it's completely in my genre, and I love it. So by now, everybody knows how this movie starts, what this movie is all about. But there is an ongoing debate that I want to take part in, whether Freaky Nikki was obsessed with Bear or Bear was obsessed with Nikki. So my take or my side would be that Bear was obsessed with Nikki. Nikki never liked Bear in that way. Nikki never saw Bear in a romantic way. She always considered him a friend. But seeing that she's not interested in him in that way, he actually wishes for her to fall in love with him madly. And I think that's obsession. He also knows that she only likes him because of the wish and still continues to be with her until it became inconvenient for him. So I absolutely agree on that part, and I am on the side of Freaky Nikki. So coming back to the movie is absolutely gruesome. It's absolutely intense. And whenever I thought that, okay, this movie can get only this intense, it just proved me wrong. And with every scene, the movie kept on intensifying. And oh my God, I loved it. I love movies where you're not just, watching mind numbingly, but you're just mind blown. You are just decoding, you're thinking what's going to happen. And every time you're proven wrong. And this movie just hits that spot. And I absolutely fell in love with the way the actors have acted, especially the Freaky Nikki. Oh my God, I love you, girl. I love you. And trust me, all the reviews that you have been seeing, all the ratings and everything, all the praise about this movie, it's 100% absolutely true. This movie is mind blowing, and I am in love with this movie for sure. So if you haven't seen it by now, please go watch it in the theaters. It's worth a theater experience, 100%. So this was my honest opinion on what I think about Obsession, and thank you so much everybody who pestered me in reviewing this movie. So if you love my review, stay tuned because I have just finished watching Euphoria and Ma Behan, and the review is coming soon. Until then, happy binge watching.